Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more upcoming DIY videos. So in today's video, I'm going to make a photo frame out of plywood for my mom and dad's anniversary. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down there below. So let's get started. To make this DIY project, you need a plywood. I have cut the plywood in a square shape, plexiglass for the photo, white paint, some Fevicryl paints, brush, picture hanging plate, some screws, a tape and drill machine. First, place the plexiglass where you want to place the photo. Now, stick the tape. Drill holes to attach the plexiglass with the plywood. Now, paint the boat with white color paint. So I have drawn here this flower and some leaves with the help of the marker. Now just write down the messages. Now take the photo, keep it in the middle, keep the plexiglass. Now screw it all together. Now remove the plastic from the top of the plexiglass. Now instead of the picture plate, I have decided to put some thread over here. And this is the final result. I hope my mom and dad will like this photo frame very much. Happy anniversary in advance, Ma and Baba. Keep safe and stay healthy. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.